Okay, so let's see what this does. Just came out of the switch. Whoa! Wrong direction. Oh no! See if we can. We gotta get it. There we go. Little guys. And of course, he almost made it through the switch. Jeez. All right. Yeah. What an amazing little thing. I mean, just amazing. It's got working connecting rods. It's just ridiculously small. It's utterly brilliant. Let's see if I can. God, I mean, the fact that they were able to do this in a pandemic. Let's see if I can get a peek at the underside. Yeah, so it's got a reduction gear. Let's see if this will come into focus here. Yeah, it's got a big reduction gear, but that obviously drives a the little worm gears there. Pretty cool. I mean, very simple, effective. Jeez, kind of brilliant. Anyways, I'm just kind of like, boy, these funky tracks and everything. So, but obviously it won't go through the darn switches. But so what? It's just amazing. And the Tgauge.com people, I mean, doing this in a pandemic and all of this, I mean, what an amazing thing. Working connecting rods. Oh my, I'm just so impressed. And just the detailing on this thing is flabbergasting. I think we have to realistically, nobody wants to hear this, but we have to like pay a lot more for this kind of toy than this first batch. And I don't blame him for saying, oh boy, we need a couple of years break. Man, to do this in a pandemic, and this kind of stuff, I mean, just because it's smaller doesn't mean it's easier. I am so impressed with this. It's just a fantastic job they've done. And, I'll hook it up to some hidden little motorized units to push them through the switches and everything. It'll work just fine. Boy, oh boy, what an amazing toy. Sorry, I'm so jiggly here. Alright, let's fire this down. Again, to Alan and Lorraine, what an incredible job. I'm quite prepared to save my pennies and pay hundreds of dollars for any more of these toys of this caliber. Alright. Truly amazing.